Hi guys, how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. Now, open the Roblox app on your phone, go to the home page, and tap the more three dots icon at the bottom. Then scroll down and open Settings. Missing this menu is why most people never find voice chat. Inside Settings, select Account Info and scroll down to the Personal section. This is where the real verification process begins. Keep watching, because step 3 is the one everyone gets wrong. Tap Continue with Selfie. This step is very important. Allow Roblox to access your camera, then place your face in the circle, and follow the prompts to move your head side to side until your age is estimated. Hold your phone steady for the fastest result. Go back to the main settings menu and select Privacy and Content Restrictions. Under Communication, set Experience Chat to On. If you skip this, voice chat won't work no matter what you do next. Join a game that supports voice chat. Tap the microphone headset icon in the top corner to unmute and connect. Here is the secret tip. If the icon doesn't appear, go to your in-game settings and make sure your input-output devices are set correctly.